Hello and welcome. Today's topic is language, an Indian language, the language of Kalinga, the language of Utkal, or in a simple way, Odia language. A beautiful language of a beautiful state, blessed and influenced with the natural beauty, rich history, and the real tribes of India. Indeed, a soul of India with real residents of Aryavard. What is so special about Odia? Let's have an overview. Look at these alphabets. It is the sixth language to be designated as the classical language of India. It has a long literature history and considerably very less loan words from other languages. It dates back to the 10th century AD. Over 35 million people speak Odia as a native language. About 93% of them are from Odisha. 4 million people speak Odia as a second language. It is the official language in the state of Odisha and the second language in the Jharkhand. It is also spoken in the parts of neighboring states. Odia belongs to the Indo-European, Indo-Aryan family. The writing system has been derived from the Brahmi script. There are 7 major dialects of Odia. The one spoken in Puri is the standard Odia, that is registered officially as Odia language, while the closest to the standard dialect is Sambalpuri. The eastern dialect Katki is slow-paced, while on other part of Odisha, Disya is extremely fast-paced dialect. Along with it, there are 11 major tribal languages spoken in Odisha. Odia has a very rich and attractive form of writing system. It is written in Utkal Akshara or Odia script. It is one of the most beautiful writing system. Check out the few words written in English, Hindi and Odia. Talking about the grammar, just like other natural languages, for example Sanskrit, Tamil, Hindi, Spanish, French, Odia also follows subject, object and verb pattern, while English follows subject, verb and object pattern. I have made the table of the tenses for illustration of the sentence formation. I apologize to Odia speakers for some mistakes that happen over here. Odia has many variations due to the different tribes living in Odisha. They all together makes Odia a rich language. It becomes easier to fall in love with the people living in nature's lap if we start loving their language. If you visit Odisha, kindly pay attention to one of the classical language of India, the way people write, the way people speak. Please let me know in comments how do you feel about this language. For the native speakers, please comment which variation you find the hardest. If you like this video and topic, please let me know. Thanks for watching. We'll meet again with another language. Thank you very much.